Hello, I'm Vijay Chatur, co-founder and CEO of Blueshift. Welcome to this tech talk where we share how our technology helps modern marketers make sense of their customer data and orchestrate one-to-one customer experiences on every channel. Blueshift is a customer data platform or a CDP, and Blueshift CDP acts as a smart hub for orchestrating intelligent experiences everywhere. The reason this matters today is that we now live in an always-on world where every brand has 1,000 times more customer data than it did ever before. And every brand is also seeing that the customer journey is getting fragmented across dozens of different channels or touch points or marketing technology applications. In this world, marketing teams are being tasked with understanding customers through the lens of the data and to use that data and to use that insight to orchestrate intelligent, personalized, one-to-one experiences on every different channel. So in that sense, the role of marketing has changed. In the traditional world, marketing used to be on the billboard, on the TV, in catalogs, in static banner ads. And the role of marketing was to create brand awareness, but eventually drive the customer into the channels where the experience would happen. And the experience would take place in the store, in the bank branch, in the call center, in the digital product, wherever that might be. But today that has flipped. And today marketers are being asked to take the experience to the customer, not just bring the customer to the experience. And taking the experience to the customer on all these different marketing channels really involves understanding the customer data, figuring out the right trigger moment to send a message to each and every customer based on their journey, based on their actions, the right next best offer, next best product, next best content, which could further that customer's experience, and to create highly personalized, hyper precise audience targets on so many different channels. Now, this new way of marketing is a huge opportunity for every marketing team and for every brand. And every CMO is aware of it. But despite that, every marketing team that we speak with struggles with this challenge. In fact, we authorized the research firm Kelton Global to conduct a study of 500 marketers, and they found that 85% of marketers are complaining that they are unable to deliver personalized experiences at scale. We further asked them to dig into the root causes of why this may be so. And 86% of marketers came back and said that technology challenges between different departments and different silos are hindering them from this goal. So really, it's a huge bottleneck because of technology. And the old technology stacks were built around channels without a connected customer core. And the lack of that connected customer core is making these entire marketing tech stacks hollow, where you cannot have any centralized, intelligent decisioning at a customer level, and all the decisioning is being made at a channel level in a very, very siloed form without leveraging all the data and all the intelligence about the customer. Now that is where Blueshift comes in, and Blueshift Smart Hub CDP solves this problem. If you think about the name Smart Hub CDP, each component of that name has a meaning. The CDP part of it implies that we unify data from different sources, be it CRM data, transactional data, behavioral data, call center data, offline data, or any other source of data. And we also identify customers through different identifiers. We track customers through their anonymous journeys and known customer journeys and unify all of that as part of our CDP offering. And further, we make it easy for non-technical marketers to access this data, to segment this data, and to do all of that without any help from IT. So that's the starting foundation where we can unify this data, expose it to marketers. But as we go beyond that into the smart part of it, that's where Blueshift's AI comes in. And Blueshift is able to use AI to build out predictive scoring, which helps marketers hone in on the right audiences for each and every use case, each and every intent, each and every interest, and go beyond that by using Blueshift's AI-powered recommendations, which help you craft one-to-one offers, one-to-one content, one-to-one products to each and every customer that they're interacting with. And by using these, you can really make very, very smart decisions about which customers to engage with, which channels should you engage them on, what content should you merchandise, and what time should you connect with them on, the who, what, when, and where of marketing. And that's really all about the smarts in the Smart Hub CDP powered by patented AI. And then moving on to the hub, that's where we are able to deliver to marketers a system which can take in all this intelligence and at the right trigger moment, deliver a message onto different channels, be it email, IVR, addressable TV, paid media, whatever that might be, and going beyond marketing technology channels into the broader customer experience world where applications like CRM, applications like help desk, voice of customer, and many others might need to get influenced with this data. So that's a quick summary of our technology. At the core of it is really about helping every brand solve the problem of disconnected data and, more importantly, the problem of disconnected experiences. Our founding team saw these problems firsthand in our past life before founding Blueshift. My co-founders and I had previously helped build an AI company, Cosmics, that eventually became a part of Walmart. And since then, we founded an e-commerce meets social startup that later became Groupon's e-commerce arm, Groupon Goods. With our combined experience, we felt that we could bring together the worlds of AI and marketing, and that's how Blueshift was born. Blueshift was founded in 2014 in San Francisco. Since then, we have expanded our presence to offices in Charlotte, North Carolina, London, and India, being able to serve customers anywhere in the world. We are a privately held company backed by some of the best technology investors in the worlds of AI and marketing. We have also now been able to take our technology to serve many, many customers across many different domains. All of our customers are consumer brands. We work with several leading brands across consumer finance, healthcare, retail and e-commerce, publishing and online media, hospitality, e-learning, and many others. Some of these brands include LendingTree, Udacity, Discovery, PayPal, Groupon, the BBC, and many more that you might have heard of. Our customers are either undergoing a big digital transformation. For example, it could be a large retailer who's shifting to an omni-channel world, or it could be a digital native brand that is looking to activate more of its data on more and more digital channels. All of these brands are struggling with the problem of activating all of their data across dozens and dozens of marketing technology and customer experience applications, each built around one channel. And they are finding that their technology stacks are hollow and looking to Blueshift to help fill that hole of shared connected customer understanding at the middle of their marketing technology and customer experience stacks. We solve this problem of the hollow marketing stack with our Smart Hub CDP approach. I think there are three things noteworthy about how we have approached this problem. Number one, instead of storing data in multiple data silos or data tables, we create a unified index of every customer using NoSQL technologies. This enables our customers to load all kinds of data super fast and for marketers to access that data without any help from IT. Second, I think using patented technology, we have put AI in the hands of marketers. And the way we have done that is that we have built an AI engine that can continuously build insights on this data, expose it to marketers, and enable them to overlay business logic, campaign logic on that before they use it to communicate with customers. And that's a huge, huge differentiation for us. And third, and finally, I would say that we have built a real-time decisioning hub, which can take all the decisions that the AI engine makes and distribute them to every marketing technology applications so that your entire customer journey can be connected. Blueshift platform is unique in how we have packaged AI for marketers and in the way the platform can make real-time decisions based on this AI. Gartner labeled Blueshift a cool vendor for AI and marketing due to these capabilities. And another validation for the AI and real-time decisioning came from Forrester Research. Forrester has published a Total Economic Impact TEI report, which is an in-depth independent study of Blueshift customers that objectively examines the qualitative and quantitative benefits that customers realize with Blueshift. And the study found that an average customer derives an ROI of 781%, really off the charts ROI, and also gains like a revenue lift, incremental revenue of $128 million by using the Blueshift technology. And the reasons they're able to do that, according to Forrester, number one, AI-powered targeting, number two, real-time decisioning, and number three, cross-channel scaling. Exactly the promise of Smart Hub CDP. Now, let me give you a quick demo of how this technology works. And let me walk you through all the three aspects of it, the CDP, the smarts of the AI, and the hub. First, to understand the CDP component, let us look at this profile of a brand's end customer in this view. As you can see, Blueshift is able to bring together data from multiple sources, including transactional data, CRM data, behavioral data, contact center, and more into this view. We are able to combine multiple forms of identity and stitch together anonymous customer behavior with known customer behavior. We enrich this data with attributes around location and predictive intent, as an example. Further, as a core part of the CDP offering, this data is fully accessible to non-technical marketers for easy segmentation. With just a few clicks, marketers can build advanced segments that combine different types of data and keep them updated automatically. Segments can be used on every marketing channel. Second, to understand the smart component, let's look at a couple of key capabilities of Blueshift. One of them is around predictive scoring, taking into account hundreds of data parameters and using AI to determine which customers are likely to perform certain actions. Another example of the AI in our platform is the recommendations module, which is used by marketing teams to determine the right next best piece of content, offer, product to merchandise to each and every customer. And this is how we put the power of AI in the hands of marketers. Finally, let's take a look at how Blueshift functions as a hub, orchestrating the customer journey across multiple touchpoints in real time. Marketers can leverage the power of AI and customer data at each step in the customer journey. And they can engage customers, understand downstream conversions easily along each step of the customer journey, and use our powerful reporting and dashboard capabilities to build rich insights. As you can see, marketers can build multi-step journeys. They can connect with every marketing technology application, every customer experience application. The Smart Hub CDP approach is very powerful, and brands are using this to drive tremendous growth. For example, one of our customers is an online lending marketplace with 65 million end customers. And this company sends more than 200 million messages every month across different channels and also invests substantially in using first-party data for paid media. When they approached us for the first time to work with us, the initial problems were really about moving from segmentation to a segment of one, as well as moving away from channel-centric strategies to a true unified cross-channel strategy to engage all their customers. Now, as they've started working with Blueshift as their Smart Hub CDP, they're indexing tens of terabytes of data across 9 different data sources in Blueshift, using Blueshift's AI to start predicting the right moment and the right offers for each and every customer, be it a mortgage offer or credit card offer. And then finally, to trigger all of these messages, all of these paid media activations using the decisioning hub. The results: improved product engagement by about 2.4x with one-to-one personalized content. They've been able to sustain 76% year-over-year revenue growth across multiple years, across the 3 years that they've been working with us. For all of our customers, as you've seen, Blueshift sits at the very center of their marketing tech stack, orchestrating both owned media applications and paid media applications, as well as broader customer experience applications. Further, Smart Hub CDP connects the MarTech stack to every other function that touches the customer experience, including help desk, contact center applications, CRM applications for sales to leverage the lead scoring and recommendations in Blueshift, digital experience platforms that can leverage the intelligence in Blueshift for personalization, and many more such applications. As our customers start engaging with Blueshift, they find that they can realize the ROI very, very fast. Our implementation team guides our customers through data integration, model building, model deployment, segmentation, campaign launches, and much more. Customers are typically live with their first use cases within the first 3 to 6 weeks of getting started, and then they can keep growing from there. As the Forrester study found, the payback period on Blueshift investments is typically within the first 3 odd months. We offer flexible packages that help customers grow with us, starting with early use cases on AI on 3 to 4 different channels or touch points, and then scaling with them over time. Our pricing scales with active customers or active users, monthly active users, monthly active profiles. And this ensures that brands don't spend money against dormant users and really focus on the customers who are truly engaging with them. And over time, Blueshift helps them grow that engaged customer base to a much bigger base. So that's Blueshift in a nutshell. A smart hub CDP that scales your one-to-one engagement across every touch point in the customer journey. I hope that you enjoyed this tech talk. And if you're making the transformation towards highly personalized customer experiences, I encourage you to get in touch with us. Thank you.